Okay, so this is for POE project 3.1.7, and we were had been asked to design a control system for a local soccer field that can detect the ball has entered the goal. A light must blink for 10 seconds after the goal is scored. Remember, the goalie and others will be crossing the goal frequently. You may need to modify the ball so that your device can differentiate between the soccer ball and other objects. And here we'll give a demonstration.
Can you explain what we just saw?
Whenever the goal is on standby and a score hasn't been made, the green light stays on. And then whenever a ball passes through the sensors, the red light comes on, the flashlight blinks for 10 seconds, and then turns off, and then the green light turns back on.
And how does it work?
We have two sensors.
Let me get over there where I can see.
Two sensors that sense whenever the ball passes them.
What kind of sensors?
Sonar sensors.
Do you want to tell them about the back setup?
What?
The setup on the back right
Jump over here, Tyler.
there. Okay, and on the back of this, we have Vex Cortex hooked up to a computer with the wires from the sonar just going straight up, both flashlights, a battery to power everything, and of course we have the duct tape netting.
Turn it back around. What are some improvements that you think you could make to the soccer goal?
We were thinking about putting like nets, or not nets, flags on the side that can flip up whenever a goal's made, so if people can't see the lights on it.
As if it's during the day.
Hmm?
If it's during the day, the flashlight's might not
As
be
visible.
Yeah, and the flag is clearly visible during the day.
Do you feel like you met all of the design constraints?
Yeah, most of them, except for the one that differentiates between the soccer goal, or the soccer ball, and the goal.
All right, what are some improvements or what are the things that you learned from doing this project? What was the most difficult thing?
Probably to me it was compensating for the blind spots of the sonars.
What about you, Tyler? What was the hardest thing of this project?
I think the hardest thing was to figure out why the sonars were interacting with each other and fluctuating between 1 and 13 inches, when really one sonar was bouncing off the other.
What about you, Sergio?
Yeah, I have to agree with Tyler. I just think the coding itself was very difficult because we tried to do too many things at one time, so it wasn't really working. But after we started just placing or having commands one at a time, it started working just fine. So I think after we did that, it was fine.
Awesome. Okay, let's see it one more time. So they're flashing for 10 seconds, and then the red light will go off, and the green light will come on. Very good.